How to log into the Temu account in new update. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the any web browser. Here I am inside the Google Chrome, and in search address bar simply search for temu.com. Once you search for the temu.com, you'll be navigated to the Temu website. Now all you have to do is remove the ad first of all. Then tap on the sign in option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you will be navigated to the page where you can enter your email address or simply log into the Temu using your Line, Facebook, Google or Apple account. So here simply I am typing in the email address bar the email address of mine which I have used to log in to the Temu, and once you do so, simply tap on the done option available, and now you'll have to wait for the verification code which will be arrive on your email address. Now once you can see the verification code on your Gmail, simply type down the verification code back to the login page. Simply copy it or remember the login verification code and enter it here, and you'll easily be logged in. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.